Okay, number 2, integral dx over 4 plus x squared to the 5/2 power. So immediately I see something squared plus something squared, so I'm thinking trig sub right away could work. So I set up my triangle over here. Again, if you see my previous videos, I always refer you to my crash course in trig sub video to see how to set up these triangles. I'm not going to go over it in the interest of time, but this is how you set it up. Okay, and then we want everything in this integrand in terms of theta. So we need x to get dx. How do we get x in this triangle? This is a right angle, by the way, over here. Well, tangent theta is x over 2, so x is 2 tangent theta. And now we can get dx by differentiating. 2 secant squared theta d theta is dx then. Okay, and then we can get this bottom term in terms of theta as well, because well, square root of 4 plus x squared, we can get it from 2 secant theta. Okay? Now we just fifth power both sides, because if we fifth power this side, by properties of exponents, we get this up here. So 4 plus x squared to the 5/2 power is this side to the fifth power, so 32 secant to the fifth theta. Okay? Now we substitute everything in this integrand with what we just found, okay, in terms of theta. So we get this over here. Okay, we start simplifying. This 2 over 32 is 1 over 16. That's a constant. Pull it out in front. Secant squared divided by secant to the fifth. That's secant cubed on the bottom. And good thing it's on the bottom. Otherwise, we would have to find the integral of secant cubed, which is a nasty integration by parts. It's not that nasty, but I just don't want to do it. So luckily, it's on the bottom because that means it's cosine cubed. Okay? And now this is a typical trig integral. Remember how we did it in the last problem even? We save one factor of cosine, and then we change this cosine squared to 1 minus sine squared so that we can let u be sine theta, d is cosine theta, d theta, okay? Now we substitute. So we get this over here, okay? Power rule now. That's what happened right here. And then we back substitute twice. So what is u? U is sine theta, so that's what happened right here. And what is sine theta? We got to look at our triangle. That's why we set it up. Sine theta is x over square root of 4 plus x squared, okay? So then that's what happened over here. This is my final answer. Again, if you type the original problem into Wolfram alpha, you might not get this exact answer. It might be in a different form. But if you tell Wolfram alpha to differentiate this, you'll actually get back the original guy, and that's correct, obviously. Okay? So hopefully this was helpful if you got stuck on this integral, and maybe it was a good practice, hopefully. Again, the clue was something squared plus something squared, so I'm thinking trig sub right away. Right? Hopefully see you in the next video as well. Bye.